Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to continue the lesson playing with magnets for class 6 and ready to learn the few more concepts which is being explained in this particular lesson. Suppose you have been given some three objects, let us say, which you observe they are of the same size and they are of the same shape and they are of the same color. And someone has given you a bar magnet and they ask you to check it out whether the given object is a magnet or a magnetic substance or a non-magnetic substance. Are you confused? Now let us do an activity for that. Now what you do, take the bar magnet and bring closer to the bar magnet the objects which have been given to you. Now let me take the first object. When I bring it, I notice what is happening and immediately I'm going to note it down what is my observation is. So I take the first object now. I bring it to the bar magnet. I see it is getting attracted. Now what I do, I'm going to change the pole of the bar magnet. Now this side also it is getting attracted. Now I know this is a magnetic substance. So I kept it aside. I repeat again, children, if an object is being attracted by one pole of the magnet as well as with the other pole, then that object is a magnetic substance. Now let me get the second object closer to the given magnet. Now it is also being attracted. But when I turn the other pole, I notice that the object is being repelled. Then now I know this is a magnet. Already we have learned the attractive and a repulsive property of a bar magnet. The like poles repel and unlike poles attract. And therefore, when I turn the pole of the magnet, then you notice that it is being repelled. And therefore, those two poles may be alike poles. And therefore, the object which is offered to you is a bar magnet. Let us keep it aside. Now get it. Now bring the third object and find it out what is happening. It is neither attracted nor repelled. Now you know the object which is given to you is a non-magnetic substance. So I repeat the concept once again. Listen carefully. If an object is attracted by one pole of the bar magnet and repelled by its other pole, then you can say the object is a magnet. If an object is attracted by both the poles of the bar magnet but not repelled by any pole, then you can say it is a magnetic substance. Now, if an object is neither attracted nor repelled by it, then you can say it is a non-magnetic substance. Hello children, are you interested in making your own magnet? Are you excited? Let us do an activity. Take an iron nail and place it on the table. Take the bar magnet and place one of its pole near one edge of the nail and start striking it to the other end. Now come back to the same end where you have started and do the same. And repeat this process, let me say around 20 to 30 times. Now you just take the nail and bring a pin to it, you will notice that the pin is getting attracted to the nail. The nail has acquired a magnetic property. Now your magnet is ready. Are you not excited? Yes. The only condition is when you strike from the one end to the other end, you have to come back to the same end and you have to strike it back. You should not be striking in the zigzag manner. Now we are going to learn another interesting property of a magnet. Magnetic induction. What does it mean? The magnet induces the magnetic property into the substances, namely we call it as a magnetic substances, when they are kept or when they get attached to the magnet. Now let us do an activity. What we require is a safety pin, an alpin, and a bar magnet. Now first what you do? You bring the safety pin and the alpin and bring it closer. There is no any kind of attaching to it at all. Now what do you do? Take the safety pin and bring it near the bar magnet. Immediately you will notice that the safety pin will get attached to that. Now what do? You get the alpin and bring it near the safety pin. The alpin will get attached to that. Previously, it doesn't happen. Now the alpin is getting attached to the safety pin. Now where this safety pin has got this property of attraction. And that is what we call it as a magnetic induction. Now the safety pin is getting attached to the bar magnet and therefore the magnetic property is being induced in the safety pin and hence the safety pin behaves like a magnet. Let us define magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance due to the presence of a magnet near it is called magnetic induction.